Have you ever wondered how companies like Swiggy, Zomato, Amazon make data-driven decision every single day? The secret starts with descriptive statistics. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, I will explore what is descriptive statistics is, how companies use it, and I will take you through a data set and to show you how these numbers actually make a powerful business stories. By the end, you will understand how to summarize, describe, and interpret the data like as a true data analyst. So, without wasting any time, let's dive in. What is descriptive statistics? A descriptive statistics is summarizing and describing the data to find out the key numbers that tell you what's happening inside your data. It helps you to answer the questions like what's the average sales of each store? Which product sells the most? How much the customer rating vary? So instead of analyzing each and every data point, descriptive stats help us to understand the quick snapshot of our business performance. Imagine you're working as a data analyst at Zomato and your management wants to know what's the average delivery time and the customer ratings across the cities. So you have the data set like this: order ID, city, delivery time, customer rating, and the order value. First, we look at the measures of central tendency. There we are going to find out mean, median, and mode. Mean means nothing but the average value. So let's just find out the average value. Here you just need to write equal to and write the average and select the average delivery time, all the column, and just close the formula and just click enter. And as you can see here, the 31.6 minutes is the average delivery time across the cities. And now let's just find out the median value. So again you need to write the median, middle value, same, select the entire column and just close the formula and click enter. And the middle value is 30.5. It is good for identifying the outliers. And the last one is we are going to find out the mode value. So mode value is gives you the most occurring value. So here are delivery time. So most occurring delivery times are, so the most delivery times are happen in 29 minutes across the cities. So as you can see here, the central tendency gives you the center of the data. So here the median value is 30.5 and the mean average value is 31.6 and the mode value is 29. It means the data was consistent and the delivery was happening. Most of the deliveries are happening within 30 minutes. And now next we look at the measures of dispersion, how our data was spread out. So for that we have the three methods that we need to calculate. First is range and second one is variance standard deviation. First, now let's just look at the range. How we can calculate the range? We will just simply write the equal and just mention the maximum. We need to subtract the maximum minus minimum value. Then we will get the range value. How our order values are vary from cities. So for that we need to write the equal to and just write the maximum and select this column and select the order value. So maximum order value minus minimum order value. Minimum, again you need to select this enter column and just click enter. So as you can see here, the 80. So 80 rupees is the difference between the maximum top order value to lowest order value. So it is the quite consistent. And if you look at the variance, again you need to write the equal to just write the variance. Here you can see where on the var dot p means variation on population, var dot s means variance on the sample. So sample data we will cover in the inferential statistics that we are discussing in the upcoming videos. That is not the part in the descriptive statistics. Okay. Now we are just selecting var dot p on the population. So now var of the order time, average order time, and the variance is 19.44, and the standard deviation, if we can find out the standard deviation on the population, so just select that and just click enter. And as you can see here, the standard deviation is 4.4 something, and the mean value is 31.6. So it is like smaller than the mean value, so it means the data was consistent. So all the order values and the delivery times was happening between around 27 to 37 minutes. If the standard deviation closer to the mean or higher than the mean value, then the data was inconsistent services. There are so many outliers, the data was not consistent. If the standard deviation is lower than the mean value, far from the mean value, then it means the data was consistent services, all the values are consistent to each other. This is all about descriptive statistics. And now we are looking into the visualization part. Now what we can do, we will just simple select this table and just click on this insert button. And as you can see here the pivot table, just click on this from the table range. So as you can see here, we have opened the like a pivot table in another tab. So now we are going to look at the city wise order values, average order value. Now you can just drag this here, and the delivery time, average delivery time. So it will give you the sum of the delivery time, so we need to change it. So for that, what we need to do, we will just click on it here, value fields. And as you can see here, there are the options: sum, count, average, maximum, minimum, product. So we need to require the average order value, average delivery time. So as you can see here, Bangalore has the average delivery time is 31 minutes, and Delhi has the 38.2 minutes too high, and the Mumbai has the 29 minutes, and Pune has the 28.2 minutes. So it means, so 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 here we will get the insight of Pune has the average delivery time is much consistent, and the Delhi has the 38.2 minutes, it is too higher. So I think so the reason behind that is too much of traffic or the fewer riders are there. So if we can visualize this insight into the graph, if you need to visualize this insight into the graph, first just select this, and here you can see pivot analysis, pivot analyze, and here you can see the pivot chart. Just click on it, and you need to take this bar chart, as you can see here. So here, as you can see here, we will just sort it in the ascending order. We just need to sort it down by the average order value. And now you can see here, Pune has the lowest order delivery time, and the highest order delivery time is the Delhi. So we need to work on Delhi, like what's the reason behind that, like fewer riders are there, or like due to the heavy traffic. This is the one insight that we have find out with our data. And one more thing we can able to find out, like order value, average order value across the cities. So now let's just click on the R data set, and again you just need to go to the insert pivot table. So here you can see, you just need to select the city and the order value. So as you can see, or the order value, it gives you the sum of the order value, but we need the average order value. So just go to here values and click on the value fields, and as you can see here, you can click on the average and click OK. And as you can see here, so Bangalore has the 360 rupees. So it means, or the order value is, average order value is higher than the others. So what we can get to know, Bangalore has the premium customers are there. Then we can provide there like discounts or offers more, so that the revenue will be generated high and the customer will attract. For attracting the customer, we can give them the cashbacks and also everything. We can give you the discounts and the premium for the premium customers. And Delhi has the lowest premium customer. So with this insight, how we can analyze this thing, we can just create the design and analyze here pivot chart. So here we can take this bar, like bar chart. So as you can see here, the highest order value, Bangalore. So Bangalore has the highest order value. Then the premium customers are more in Bangalore compared to the other cities. Then we need to provide them the discounts or the offers or the coupons or something to attract the customer to purchase more. So this is how the descriptive statistics is helpful, make the data driven decision every single day to all the companies. That's it for this video, guys. I hope if you like this video, please share, subscribe, or join me on this group. In the next video, we are going to talk about inferential statistics. We will jump into the inferential statistics, where why this happening. Until then, keep analyzing and keep exploring. Thank you so much.